Responsible ownership. Yan po ang nasa Cuervo report. Exactly opposite of what you just told me now.
Well, Your Honor, yan po yung
Sandali lang, gusto kong samsamin yung paano mo malulusutan ito. Sige po.
Well, Your Honor, when you engage a third party, siyempre sasabihin mo yung gusto mong i-check. Ngayon, siguro part na ng disclosure ng mga appraiser yung ganitong klaseng statement.
Hindi nga eh. Limitation nga eh. Ang sinabi niya, in-appraise niya, pero hindi niya isasama yung kakasabi mo lang paulit-ulit kanina, ba dapat kasama? Sa businessman na tama, kasama yan. Eh, pumirma ka dito eh. In-approve mo to eh. Ikaw nagbayad nito, di ba? Sino nagbayad nito?
Ako po nagbayad.
Ikaw nagbayad nito. Sino nag-engage sa kanila? Ikaw directly?
No, I asked Martin to engage them.
Okay, you asked Martin to engage them. Tapos ano? Eh, nakalagay sa limitation eh. Na hindi kasama. You just told me 2 minutes ago na kasama.
Your Honor, sa mga engagement with third-party consultants, normal yun na may isang disclosure na to protect themselves. Pero
No sir, no sir. There are appraisal. They're a company that does appraisals. Sa umpisa, sinabi na niya yung limiting conditions. The first, all existing liens and encumbrance, if any, have been disregarded and the property is appraised free and clear from under responsible ownership. Diba? Let's say number 3, we made no investigation of and assume no responsibility for titles to or liabilities against appraised properties. Sinabi niya na sa'yo, bago pa kayo magpa-appraise, na hindi niya isasama. But 5 minutes ago, paulit-ulit ka, nakasama yan. So meaning, Mr. Chu, you don't know what you're talking about.
hindi naman, Your Honor. Standard naman yun sa amin.
Standard magsinungaling sa committee pag nahuli.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Sir, kakasabi mo lang kanina, gusto mo pa-replay ko, nakatape to.
Your Honor, hindi po ako nagsisinungaling. Pag nag-engage po tayo, normally sinasabi po natin anong gusto natin. Ngayon, kung ano yung
Eh, hindi nga sinunod yung gusto eh. Pumayag ka, binayaran mo eh. Tapos kanina sinabi mo sa akin kasama. Nung binasa ko sa'yo at huli ka, sasabihin mo ngayon, minsan hindi nila sinasama. Paano po tayo how can we have the meeting of the mind? How can we get to the bottom of this, sir? If in our face you're going to lie to us?
Your Honor, siguro with regards to appraisal report, and nandito naman yung resource person, you can ask him later.
Ikaw nga ho nagbayad at sabi mo kasama sa binayaran mo dahil business ka man nagmagaling ka, dahil hindi pwede sa iyo walang due diligence, kailangan ang titulo tinitignan kung may lien o ito tayo na your word. Hindi na nga your word against my word, your words against your words eh, dahil ikaw lang naman nagsasalita. But anyway, Mr. Chair, just to continue this exercise and get